Welcome back to KK Autos, where today we're diving deep into the 2026 Mazda CX-5, a car that combines elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology. If you're a fan of SUVs that deliver in every category, this is one you'll want to know about. So let's explore what makes the new CX-5 an exciting addition to the Mazda family. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 features an updated design that is both sleek and modern. The car's lines are smooth, with a low profile that gives it an athletic stance. The front grille is bold, framed with sleek chrome accents, while the LED headlights add a sophisticated touch with a sharp, angular design. The Glossy Pure Red color really makes the car stand out, with a deep, shiny finish that catches the light from every angle. Whether you're driving down the highway or parked in your driveway, the CX-5 commands attention. The overall design maintains that signature Mazda elegance, with a focus on aerodynamics that not only improves the look, but also enhances fuel efficiency. Now, let's step inside. The interior of the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is nothing short of luxurious. As you open the door, you're greeted by soft-touch materials, premium leather seating, and carefully crafted details that elevate the entire experience. The front seats are sporty, yet incredibly comfortable, offering excellent support for both city drives and long road trips. The cabin is spacious, with generous legroom for both the front and rear passengers. The center console has been redesigned with a larger, intuitive touchscreen, seamlessly integrated with the vehicle's infotainment system. It's easy to navigate, and you can stay connected with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The ambient lighting gives the cabin a high-end feel, perfect for evening drives. The use of brushed aluminum and carbon fiber accents further boosts the vehicle's premium interior aesthetic. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, you'll find a choice of powertrains, including a turbocharged engine that provides a perfect balance of power and efficiency. Whether you're cruising around town or taking the car on a more adventurous road, the CX-5 handles like a dream. The all-wheel drive system offers excellent grip, giving you confidence in any weather conditions. The suspension is finely tuned for both comfort and sportiness, making it responsive on the road without sacrificing ride quality. The steering is precise, and the handling is incredibly agile for an SUV, making it a joy to drive. As for safety, Mazda has packed the 2026 CX-5 with the latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. This makes it not only a fun car to drive, but also a safe one, offering peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 offers excellent value for money. Starting at around $30,000, the CX-5 gives you a premium experience without the premium price tag. Of course, higher trims with additional features, including the turbocharged engine, advanced tech, and leather upholstery, can push the price up to around $40,000. Overall, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a blend of style, performance, and technology in an SUV. It competes with some of the best in the segment. Let us know in the comments what you think about this masterpiece, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KK Autos for more in-depth car reviews. Stay tuned for more incredible automotive content.